Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today we're flying the DJI Mavic 3, getting some cool drone shots of some salmon swimming upriver in the Mokelumne River near Clements, California. This is an annual migration that these salmon make. Well, not these specific ones because they're going to die throughout the season, but this is an annual event that goes on. I've come up here as a kid, still come up here. This is super interesting stuff. So just outside of Clements, you're going to find the hatchery off of the Camanche Reservoir. You could go up into the hatchery during business hours. They'll give you food to feed the fish that are the little guppies, or I guess it'd be called guppies, that are out in the actual hatchery area. So just if you come during business hours, that's some cool, interesting stuff. You'll learn a bunch of stuff up at the hatchery. But this is the salmon swimming upriver to the hatchery to spawn in the Mokelumne River. Welcome to a mesmerizing journey along the Mokelumne River, just downstream of the Camanche Reservoir, where the annual miracle of life unfolds beneath the surface. Today we witness an awe-inspiring sight of salmon as they embark on their incredible journey to spawn. These fish are swimming upriver. It's late November when this video is shot, and this year it is a huge migration. So there's a ton of fish this year. So like, subscribe, and share while you're watching. Do you know of any fun facts that the world should know about this salmon spawning season or the salmon spawn migration? These fish will spawn here. They will go out to sea, do whatever they do. Maybe it's ocean, and they're going to come back and respawn. That's the whole goal of the situation that's going on in this river. But is there something that I missed? Do you know something about the hatchery? Do you know something about the spawning? Let me know below. Let the world know. Let's make this a big learning experience. As we glide over the crystal clear waters, you'll witness the salmon's relentless determination swimming upstream against the current, driven by an instinct as ancient as time itself. Curious about the timing of this spectacular event? When should you come out? Salmon typically begin their annual spawn in the fall, usually around September to November. This year, nature has graced us with an even more vibrant display than usual. Like I said a little bit ago, this year is actually pretty crazy. The numbers are huge in the Mokelumne River. There's another river up north. I believe their numbers are a little bit low. And really, the Mokelumne River, grew up there. I love the river. We go there all the time, so I'm more interested in this one. So I'm not sure what the other rivers are around here, honestly. But the Mokelumne River this year has taken off in salmon numbers. So keep our fingers crossed to have another good migration back to the ocean in the spring. I believe that's when they go back down, and we'll get some on some food tables, right? As the sun bathes the river banks in a warm glow, subscribe to Scotties Hobbies for more drone perspectives and stay tuned for breaking news. While my usual channel content focuses on vehicles maintenance, expect more awe-inspiring drone videos capturing the heartbeat of your world to come out soon. Dive into the wonder of nature and the latest breaking news on Scotties Hobbies. Like, subscribe, and share to be a part of this journey. Stay tuned for more breathtaking drone footage, and as always, happy flying. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I'll see you in the next hopefully helpful video.